a cactus pygmy owl, the size of a dollar bill. She's up early. She has a family. For the past month, she and her mate have been delivering a constant supply of food. It's hard work, but there comes a time in every young owl's life when they must be persuaded to fly the nest. So, Mom changes tactics. Food deliveries cease, but these deserts are a hotspot. They home in on pygmy owl nests. It's now or never. First up, her strongest chick. Her second is safely out too. But the third seems to have doubts. It's a flat no from him. But she has a tried and tested trick to win him over. Lunch. Now she's got her chick's attention. And he's out. That's not good. The ground is the most dangerous place for him to be. But up in the trees, it's not risk-free either. But not on this mom's watch. She's seen off this ambush. Now, to get that last chick out of danger. At last.